Hello, it's week 2, and you have now been exposed to the term self-directed adult learner. Probably haven't seen that before, but that is one of the expectations of this class, is that you will understand how to become a self-directed learner. In a master's program, that's extremely important because you are being prepared for a lifetime of service. And you will step out into your ministry and from the School of Divinity, and you will encounter situations and information, all sorts of things that we cannot teach you now, but we give you the tools so that you can learn those aspects, those new skills, that new information on your own to continue to be an effective minister of the gospel or a servant of Christ. Now, as a self-directed learner, what you need to do is to be self-directed. You have an opportunity to do that with every assignment. They will be graded. You've had week 1, your journal entry. It's been graded. When you receive it back into the grade book, there will be corrections on it, comments. Some of those comments will be dealing with content. When you do the exegesis paper, you may receive comments about needing to focus more on, say, cultural issues in the cultural section, or that your thesis statement is not focused enough, or it isn't a solid thesis statement because you're not stating what you are proving from your research. Those will be content type things. But remember, please remember, in most classes, what you'll have is about 90% concerning content and different aspects, and then about 10% or so dealing with Turabian. The thing is, in this class, Turabian is part of the content. Part of the objective of this class is to help you learn how to function in a major in an area of study that uses Turabian. Now, that said, when you receive back papers, there will be comments. And often the comment will be referring to a section or page number in the Turabian sample paper that's available in the writing style guides in the course menu. And it may say something about your footnotes. Then, as a self-directed learner, you are going to go to those pages, read through it, and master that concept of how to do it appropriately. A lot of times people have problems with scripture and citing scripture. The page would be given and you go to that. So you'll get a lot of feedback on your papers, and then what you need to do is take the time to go and not just make a quick change, but to understand the concept behind it, the rules behind it. And those will all be in the comments of your corrected papers. If you have any questions, email me. And if it's more than what can be covered in an email, you don't like type a lot, which means I'd have to type back a lot, then text and set up a call and say, hey, can I call you at such and such a time, or can you call me? Or just call, and if I don't answer, and I am in Alaska, so I'm 4 hours behind the East Coast time, but if I don't answer, leave a voicemail and say, this is so-and-so from RTCH 500, would you please give me a call? And we can do that, and then we can talk. And I've had 30, 40-minute conversations before, which is a lot better than typing. So make sure that you work on taking each assignment and improving from it. Each time you're going to get better and better. And every time you're to cite the source. If you have any information that is not your intellectual property, terms like self-directed learner, any of those things, not just direct quotations, we cite those, but any intellectual property that you're gaining from a source, the Liberty University's honor code concerning plagiarism, which we take very seriously, says that you are to cite the source. And in this class, we use footnotes. So really every assignment you should have, because you're talking about course materials or other sources of information, you should have the footnote citation for that source and a bibliography. And if you do that every time, you will master it and it won't be a big problem at all. So enjoy the class. Strive to be a self-directed learner. Have a good week.